Guys, I want us to watch this video you are seeing right here together. Let's watch this video together.
You know that moment in the middle of the day when you just need something cool and refreshing? This is what I reach for. It's crisp, lemon lime, and not too sweet. I like that it stays light so I can sip while I'm working without feeling heavy.
Honestly, when the weather is hot, I just want something cold and refreshing. That is why I keep Sprite around. I like how simple it is. Just open the can, pour it over some ice, and you have a cold drink ready to enjoy. That crisp lemon lime taste is exactly what I enjoy. If you want something refreshing, you can check out Sprite. I created this UGC video you are seeing right here in less than 1 minute, and it's for free. I did not pay for any AI tool or subscribe to any AI tool. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create professional UGC video or advert videos like this for free without subscribing, without paying for any AI tool. And without wasting much of your time, let's dive into it. Let me show you how you are going to create videos like this in less than 5 minutes. So don't forget to save this video so that you can watch it later.
So the first thing I did was to head over to ChatGPT, and when I come to ChatGPT, I click on this plus icon, I click on photos, and I upload my image. The image I generated of me holding the Sprite. This is the image here. As you can see, this is the image here. Let me show you guys the image. This is the image, and I upload this image to ChatGPT. And after I upload this image to ChatGPT, I paste my master prompt. So this master prompt, you are going to get this master prompt in the comment section of this video or the description of this video. Just go to it. You are going to see a link that will take you to where you can get this master prompt. So on this master prompt, all you just need to do after you get this master prompt, just come up on the master prompt. You are going to see where it says product idea. As you can see, product idea and or brand. So this product idea, I'm going to put let me say Sprite, because that is what I want to use. Sprite here, because as you can see, that is what is on my hand. So I'm going to put Sprite here, my video idea. So now it's telling you to describe what you want your video to be. Like say I will say me taking the drink. So drinking the Sprite. So anything you want, how you want your video should be, just write it here. And your target audience, who are your target audience? Any type of video you are creating, it will have target audience. So you can put your target audience here. Your location, where is your location? Where do you want to be? I want to be in my studio like this one, like this, using my image. This image, be in the studio, being in this studio like this image right now. Character direction, how do you want the character should do? What do you want the character should do? You put it here. Your video, everything, you just set everything. On this master prompt, you are going to get everything. So after you set everything, you edit everything, you put what you want the video should be, everything here, because if I should be explaining everything, this video will be so long. But after you get this master prompt, you just replace everything to fit the type of video you want to create. To fit the type of video you want to create, just put those things here. And after that, the next thing, you click on generate. And when you click on generate, first ChatGPT is going to create image like this for you. As you can see, image you are going to use, as you can see, it's going to create image like this for you. And after it creates the image for you, it's also going to write you image to video prompt with the panel scenes. As you can see, scene 1, scene 2, scene 3. It's going to write everything for you because you use the master prompt. Just put your idea, the type of video you want to create, any video advertisement or UGC video you want to create. If you want the person should be wearing clothes, you want the person should be holding back, just put it on the master prompt and ChatGPT is going to create the image for you like this. And after I create the image for you, so if you need this prompt, you let me know and I'm going to send you the prompt I gave to ChatGPT that make him to write everything for me. So this is the scene 1. As you can see here, scene 1 going for 10 seconds. So I'll just copy this scene 1 here, and after I copy it, I'll head over to Flow AI. So this is Flow AI here. So if you have not downloaded Flow AI on your phone, make sure you go and download Flow AI right now. And after you download Flow AI, you click on this. Let me check whether I have credit. I have 20 credit here. Let me switch to my second account. So I switched to my second account because that account, I don't have enough credit on that account. So let me check this account. Now I have 50 credit on this account. You know, Flow AI will be giving you 50 credit every day. So now I just click, you click on new project here. and you click on plus icon, you click on image. So I'm going to add that image ChatGPT generated for us. I'm going to add that image. This is the image here. And after adding the image, I'm going to wait so that the image is going to upload. And when the image upload, I'm going to show you the next thing you are going to do. So let's wait for the image to upload. Now the image has uploaded successful. I will tap on the image, and after tapping on the image, I will click on this animate here, and after clicking on animate, I'm going to paste that prompt here. That prompt I just copy right now from ChatGPT for this scene 1. This prompt for scene 1 image, as you can see, image to video for scene 1 here. This first one is the one I just copy right now, and after copying it, I paste it here, and I'll click on this animate. I'll bring it to 10 seconds. Now I'll set my aspect ratio to 9:16, and after setting it in 9:16, the next thing I'm going to click on generate, and it's going to turn this image to video. It's going to use this first image here for this panel 1. That is the one it's going to use with the prompt, because everything has already matched each other with the camera movement. The prompt is here, as you can see. This first image is the one that is going to use. It's not going to touch this second and last ones here. This first one by my left hand side is the one to use. That's it, image panel 1. That is the one it's going to use. So let's wait for it, and after it generates it, we are going to copy the second image prompt to video, and it will use the second one, and it will use the third one. I've shown you guys how you can do this on my previous video. So if you have not watched that video, go and watch that video so that you are going to get everything right and know how you are going to create UGC videos for free for any brand. And you can use it for clothing, any type of UGC video you want to use. You can use same method and it's going to work for you. All you need is just the master prompt that will give you everything. Now the video has been generated. As you can see, the video has been generated. This is the video here. Let's play it. This is the video.
Honestly,
now
when
this
the
is
weather
the
is
video.
hot, I just want something cold and refreshing. That is why I always enjoy having Sprite around.
Now
honestly, when I just want some.
Now this is the first video. Now you will just go back, and after you go back, you come back to scene 2 here. As you can see, just come down to scene 2, and you copy the image to video prompt for scene 2. You come down here, you tap on the image again, you click on animate, and this time you paste it here, and you click on animate again. You put it in 10 seconds, you put your aspect ratio, the same thing, and you click on generate. And after you click on generate, your video is also going to generate, and you have your second scene ready. Again, you have your second scene ready, and you add everything together on CapCut. If you want to learn how you are going to do this professionally, so that you are going to create something like the one you see when I play it at the beginning of this video, just go to my comment section, or you go to my bio. You are going to see my contact there. You chat me up, and I'm going to show you how you are going to do it one-on-one class and be creating UGC videos for yourself for free without paying for any AI tools. So see you guys on my next video.